What's going on, guys? Today, I'm trying to fix something that the previous owner or the last guy who worked on my car, as far as the stereo goes, um, they, for whatever reason, took out the bose tweeters that this truck has. And what they did, instead of replacing it with something else, which is usually what some people do, they'll take out the factory tweeter and they replace it with something else. What they did is they rip him out. They didn't just take him out gently. They rip out the tweeter, and the little base where the tweeter goes, which is right here. This guy right here. That right there is not supposed to be there at all. They fill that out. They rip off the tweeter and they fill it out with these, I guess, to make it look like a little tweeter, but there's nothing in there. I'll show you what they did. This is what they put on the driver's side, which I replaced. I got my hands on a pair of the Hummer Bose tweeters that come with it, and that's what I'm doing now. Luckily, I got the little base that come with it. These right here is what fills out this little hole that you see there. For whatever reason, the previous owner or the previous radio guy ripped them off, and so what I'm doing right now, it's basically what it is. I already did the driver's side. As you can see right there, I'm gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and do these now. I'm gonna try and place my phone in an area where you guys can see what, how these side panels come off, in case you need to do these on your H2, or if you want to replace your factory tweeter and replace it with something else. You have anything to pry with, it's not too sharp, right here. Sorry about the shaking. If you see any shaking, I'm using my phone. One day I'll have a camera, I promise. It's right here at the edge of it. You can see these right here. It's two little tabs. You pry them out gently, and they snap out. Not all the way. It's about, I don't know, about an inch or so. Oh well, this one came out all the way, but it usually stays like that. That's all you need right there. Same for the one on the bottom. See, always stays right there, but then after that, the handle comes off. Actually, you know what? Hold on a second. Maybe oops. Well, not supposed to be like that, but they come out, and then these is free. All you gotta do is shake it, and then there's a tab down there. Kind of lift it, take it and lift it slowly, and that's it. If you look, see that hole right there? You see how the hole has edges, like all rough up and everything? I don't know why, but they pretty much what they did is they carved the edges out. I don't know why, but maybe there was a aftermarket tweeter there, or they didn't know how to take the factory ones out, and they rip off the plastic. If you look at the other side, it's all ripped. So, and then they fill it out with these. Good thing is that the factory connector is there, so all I need is to there you go. You see, I got the connector right there. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'll show you a little quick video what it looks like for the ones that don't have the factory ones, but like I said, it's just that little plastic that goes in there, and that's it. We'll see what comes out. As of right now, I haven't unlocked my my amp that I showed, I think, on a previous video. The amp that I put on there, a luxury amp, I think it was an Escalade before it came into my Hummer. So I'm still waiting on it cable, or OBD to USB cable. We plug in my laptop and see if with the Tech 2 software I can go ahead and figure the steps and how to program the amp for my truck so I get audio on all the speakers. But meanwhile, I'm trying to get all the factory stuff back in there. Actually the 4-door speakers, they're Hertz speakers, and I know some people say, hey, the Hertz speakers are better than the Bose factory ones, but I think my Hertz speakers that are in there installed by the previous owner are kind of blown out. So I'm gonna see if I can get my hands on a set of 4-door Bose speakers that still produce good sound, so I can put them in here and I'll be all set, because the subwoofer is the original Bose. I got the 2 tweeters, and all the way in the back, the 2 rear speakers, there are the Bose speakers that came with the truck. So see how that works out. Wish me luck. And that's pretty much it. That's what I'm doing right now. And if you'll excuse me, I have to go ahead and watch a rewind of the Dodgers losing the World Series. Thanks, David Roberts, if you ever watch this video. I doubt, but hey, thank you. Here is a quick idea of what it looks like when it's all done. See? That's what it looks like. Nice and flush. And the passenger, driver's side, same thing. That's it. Like I said, don't need to go crazy when you pry these things right here. You might break them, and if you break them, then it'll be one more thing that's gonna rattle on your H2. If you have an H2 for a while, you know these things are all plastic and they're all rattlesnakes. One thing that you take off, even if you put it back the way it was in, excuse me, it'll start rattling out of the sudden. So there you go. I'll see you guys next time though.